Graded bat here. Here's the 1-2. This one out to center field. Will he get down? Nina Cabrales makes the catch. And it took him 6 years, 3 times. As the #1 seed, the California Baptist is your national champion. 2009 NAIA Softball National Champion.
Oh man, what a thrill. You know, we've been here, this is our 5th time in the Final Four, and just having the opportunity to play for this again is our 3rd time, and I guess 3 times is a charm. It's just so exciting and so surreal, and I'm so proud of the 20 girls that just put their heart, soul, and mind into this program, and my coaching staff and support staff, and everybody back home who supported us throughout the year. Hey, Cal Baptist is national champion.